I don't know.
Me a go somewhere, man. Me a got a party.
You come?
Yeah.
More you coming also?
Yeah, man. Let me not tell you.
So you come?
Yeah, man. Me tell you already, man.
I hate you.
You're deaf.
No, we're not there. I hate you.
So you ask me every time, so.
Come here there for see you.
Me a come.
Your big bumper on the bike back.
Oh my god, I love these songs!
Yeah?
Yeah! You actually from Jamaica?
Yeah, I was actually born and raised.
How come I don't hear an accent?
No, man, I still have an accent, man.
Ooh! Let me guess, from Kingston?
Bruh.
Oh my god, no, not all Jamaicans are from Kingston. I'm actually from this place called St. Mary.
Oh, St. Mary?
Yes.
How about you teach me like a bad word?
You Americans always want to learn bad words, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll teach you one, but please don't say this to just anybody, especially a Jamaican, okay? Go suck your mother.
Go suck a who?
Go suck your mother.
Go suck your mother?
Yeah, go suck your mother.
That's actually cute.
Yep.
Go suck your mother. Like that?
Yes, go suck your mother.
Go suck your mother. Go suck your mother. Go suck your mother. Okay. Go suck your mother. Hey! Hey! Go suck your mother! I want to eat you! I want... What you just said to me a while ago? Babe! Babe!
Ball to the big man, little blacks cante, run through cante, ball pa Matic. Two ball on the right, brilliant. Dory, in the box, boom. Well, yo, no, watch Costa, boom. Right for the octagon, watch it. Goal. Boom. Big man, youth. Carry him for my ball game, shit out. My foolish that my youth. I know I'm never ready, dog. Yo, how you play this again? I want to say X sprint and box. What box do? Box what gonna say? Brother, you know about us make you know about you know me never really play. Brother, you know my style. You know if me really play, I get like 7-0, 8-0, that's my style. You know me never really play my you. You get a look at 1-0 in your field big. You feel big for that? Fool that man, make him know now. You fool, you feel me there play. Yeah. Hold up, man. Alright, the man is track. Let's see a center back.
Okay, there should be absolutely no talking. Wait, what's that? On the depth. No, we hear you. We said no talking. On the depth. Nobody knows me talk. No talking. On the depth. Wanna tell me I talk? Anyways, no electronics allowed. If you are found with any electronics, you will be charged with intention to cheat. Please read through the paper thoroughly. Okay, the time is now 1 p.m. You may begin. You have 2 hours. Wait, I want that me here. Why use calculator? So is a watch. So why you bring a calculated watch in the exam? You're disqualified. Please leave. Leave. Sorry everyone for the inconvenience that I have made cause.
Wala.
Sorry, could you just hand out these
Wala.
Wait, come
Wala. Behave sa Wala. Watcha. When ba siya ikakfa? Wala. Wala buhay alok sa familia.
Walan! Nasa! I want a big coffee I do! Invigilate! Them no know say cheap more than anybody else on this earth! Me no know what make them no call the Easter man! Cause every girl say you give them bun! Shut up your mouth!
Watcha.
Nasa! Don't tell me for shut my mouth! You can see the chat cause time a bun. I didn't even know that.
Watcha.
Nasa! Idiot boy! Wrong time! Somebody please! Please give me watch! Walan! Time na! Wrong time! Nasa! Big coffee!
Big money popping anywhere I go. Big money popping anywhere I go. Big money popping. Ha! Fang of them there. Tag scam of them there. Me a tell you say.
Me telling it, say walla.
Me have couple dog, me know. Me not living up till me I'm done. I'm not chipping up till me I'm gone. XOXO. My love is very special. If you want it, you can have it, but don't take me for granted. So much, so much, so much things I did not say. I'm from Portmore, that's in
Yo, Instagram, a moment of silence for them blood clot picture, yeah. One more thing, watch with caution.
Take me to the king. Truth is I'm tired. Options are few. I'm trying to pray, but where are you? I'm all churched out, hurt and abused. I can't fake what's left to do.
Come on.
Truth is I'm weak, no strength to fight, no tears to cry, even if I try.
You know if anything can fix this? Yeah man, you can use the duct tape. You take me for fool, eh? Duct tape have to tape up duct. This look like duct to you. Duct tape have to tape up duct. This look like duct to you. Tape up duct, tape up duct. Duct tape have to tape up duct, tape up duct.
The champlate.
Yeah, it tastes good. We start eating eggs from my day.
Why you forget?
Healthy.
It's running, you eat fish?
What kind of fish?
Why if you eat fish?
Of course, me eat fish.
But that.
Fish eating is in the...
Me say, but now we eat it, we have practice on the fish.
Eating is in the Bible and it is in the dictionary. So I don't care if your false word that you come with.
Why if
the Lord said, you must eat and be satisfied.
Oh,